In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Honey on Romwe 2025. Step by step. Honey is a free browser extension that automatically searches for coupon codes and applies the best one at checkout. In just a few minutes, you'll have it installed, your Romwe cart ready, and your savings applied. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, open your browser and go to joinhoney.com. Click Add Honey, then add it to your browser when prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete installation. It usually takes less than a minute. When it finishes, create a free Honey account or sign in so your extension stays synced and ready to use. If your browser asks for confirmation, just approve the prompts and make sure the Honey icon appears in your toolbar so it's easy to access. Next, head over to romwe.com. Log into your Romwe account so your saved addresses, payment methods, and any store perks are available at checkout. Shop as you normally would and add items to your shopping cart. Take a moment to double check sizes, colors, and quantities so you're set before you pay. When you're ready, click the cart icon to review everything. If you need to make edits, do that here, then click checkout. It's important to land on the payment page where promo codes are entered. That's what triggers Honey to start working. If you don't see a promo code field yet, continue to the next step of checkout until it appears. Now let Honey find coupons for you. The Honey icon should pop up automatically. Click Apply Coupons, and Honey will test available promo codes in the background. You'll see it try several options one by one. This part only takes a few seconds, so let it run until it finishes. Once the scan completes, Honey applies the best working discount to your order, and you'll see your total update automatically. If no codes are currently valid, Honey will let you know, and you can still proceed without losing any progress. Either way, you'll have clarity on the best savings available at that moment. To finish, choose your payment method, confirm your shipping details, and place your order. If you want an extra smooth experience next time, keep the Honey icon pinned in your browser so it's easy to spot, and make sure you're signed in before you shop. That's it. Install, shop, check out, click Apply Coupons, and let Honey do the work so you don't have to.